Hey guys, you're welcome to this YouTube channel, and today guys I'm going to show you a very secret strategy that works mostly on London session. Alright, and a lot of traders out there, they are not talking about this strategy. I don't know whether they know about it, but like they are not really talking about it. So today I'm going to reveal it to you. All I just want you to do is to just sit and watch, and make sure you watch every part of this video and don't skip, alright, so that you understand every part of the strategy, alright, and look at how it works. So if you're a trader or a new trader, alright, if you have been trading for the past 6 months and you know how to draw a trend line, this is for you. This is mostly for you because this thing is going to expose your mind, alright? It's going to expose so many secrets, alright? So just wait as I expose all of these things to you, and hopefully you guys are going to make use of this. So this is, first thing first, you are to add your session indicator, alright? Add your session indicator. Session indicator is just showing you where New York session, London session are open, or Asian session are open. So I have already edited mine, alright? I've already edited mine here. So look at my settings, can just screenshot it. Allow only London and New York session, that's all. Then your London should be from 3, depending on your time zone on your computer. I'm using a New York time, alright? So you click OK, alright? So looking at the charts right now, I want to go to, this is currently on the 1 hour time frame. I want you guys to grab this, alright? This is very simple, and guys, when you come out, just focus on these two things. Don't stress it, alright? When I say don't stress it, don't overanalyze. Keep your chart very simple. Keep it very simple. Alright. So currently today alone, although I missed this setup, but even some of my students caught this. Alright. Some of my students caught this, alright, and some might not catch it too. But this thing mostly happens on London session. London or New York, mostly on London. So focus more on London than New York. So look at the way it works, alright. We are going to be, this is the XY, alright. The XY is dollar index. You just go to your trading view, type the XY, US dollar index, alright. So right now we are to be trading on only the green session. Alright, this is the green. If you can see my chart very well, you can see this is London session. This is London session. So come to your 1 hour. Come to your 1 hour like this. Let me delete this trend line, alright. So there's no trend line here, right? Draw your trend line on the 1 hour, alright. Make sure it's perfectly drawn, alright. When I say perfectly drawn, it should be well drawn with a very nice highs and valid lows, alright. Don't just draw anyhow trend line and value it, alright. This is the first trend line running here, alright. And before this, look at this too, alright. Look at this low here, this low and this low. Which one is lower or higher? Okay, we will use this, alright. This is another counter trend line running because another low was formed here yesterday, alright. This was yesterday, 23rd of August, and we have our trend line drawn this way. Nice. Okay, do we have any high or low created? Alright, you guys should be aware of this. There is a breakout, alright, yesterday, during that the same London, I'm telling you, there's a breakout. You can see this breakout here. I connected this. Let me draw it so that you guys can be able to see it on the 1 hour time frame, alright. That's where I'm drawing my trend line, but this is a very nice scalping strategy. Nice. This is what you want to see on your chart. These three things right now, and your support areas. You know how I analyze my supports and resistance. You know how I do that here. If you have been watching me, that's very simple. And I start from the monthly down to the daily and the 4 hours. So right here, you can see what happened yesterday and today. What happened, guys? So the XY is like GU best friend, GBP USD best friend. All right, that is how the XY is. Alright, so when the XY is selling, GU is buying. Get this right. When the XY is selling, then GU is buying. When the XY is buying, then GU is selling. You understand? It's opposite. When the XY is selling, GU is going to be buying. When the XY is selling, GU is going to be buying. All right. So that's the way it works. All right. So you have to align the two together. And look at what happened today during London session. Although we are still in London session, but like I missed this setup. So what you are going to do is to come down to your 15 minutes. All right. Draw this trend line on the 15 minutes. All right. You could have catch this buy today. All right. This was the buy. All right. If you still scale to the 5 minutes time frame, you see that yes, this candle was just a long spike to the upside, which is still making sense still. All right. Make sure you just draw it very nice. All right. This is your support area. All right. But the market has come today, swept the Asian low. This is it. Swept the Asian low, and look at what happened, guys. It was immediately swept the Asian low. Where did it tap into? This is still under support, but it's taking out a lot of people's stop losses around this point. That's what we call stop hunt. All right. If you can join my mentorship, you will learn about all of these things. I will break it down for you. All right. So look, after this thing, there was a breakout. All right. So if you are trading GU this morning, look at what you should be looking at. Once this breakout is about to happen, you see it buying, it has swept this low, going to the upside. You wait for this. Let's see GU. Let's see what happened on GU. Right? This is GBP USD. What happened? Immediately that breakout happened. Look out, the same thing happened here. A breakout retest. So since that one is buying as a breakout, then this one is going to be selling as a breakout. That's simple. That's the way it works. All right. And here, not just that, support and resistance is resting around this area on the 5 minutes time frame. All right. So that one was buying. You should be focusing more on selling this one. All right. Look at what happened here. All right. So assuming you bought from this level that it broke out, because you want to wait for it to trade above this this support area, right? That's where you should be buying from. All right, you could have got how many pips from here? All right, to this top is around 25. Okay, 2005 is calculating in points. All right, so let's check GU. We're not going to be buying the XY. We're only selling. We are going to be focusing more on GU. All right, the GBP USD. And if you bought around this, if you sold around this point, just risk minimum of 20 pips. My stop loss is always very tight, 20 or 15. All right, look at what happened. This massive breakout to the downside. How many pips? This is 6.2. This is the risk reward ratio is 6.71 RR. All right, for just this trade alone, if you caught it. Because for you to know that it has retested on your DXY on the support area and there's just a breakout, you should be waiting for any slight breakout here, then you target to the downside. Very easy, just like that. All right, and you got 90 pips, just like that. This early morning, it happened on London. All right, the same thing happened yesterday. All right, this is on the 15. Let's go to the 15 minutes time frame. All right. I don't want to make this video long. All right, the same thing happened a day before that day, and look at what happened right here. Okay, I don't want to make this video long, guys. There will be next part for this video. All right, but I think you've gotten what you are understanding something from what I'm saying. This is a very big secret that a lot of traders don't look at. You need to look at the XY before trading GBP USD, Euro USD, and so many other pairs related to dollar, because the strength of dollar is way stronger than those pairs, and whenever dollar is doing anything, they are also reacting to it. Dollar moves the whole trend. All right, so guys, kindly subscribe and also like this video and give this video a thumbs up, and see you guys in the next one.